to Easy Nails. Today I'm using my practice hand here. We're going to create some fun summer acrylic nails with glitter. So I'm showing you guys all of the acrylics that I'm using here. I'm using Royalty Nail Supplies S43. I'm using Zoeve's acrylic, and I'm going to be using some double dip acrylic. So I'm going in with the Zoeve acrylic. And this is a really pretty blue color, so I am just placing this towards the cuticle, and then I am pulling it towards the tip of the nail, making sure to work in a drier consistency with this powder, and I am pulling it towards the tip, wiping off my brush as I go. And you guys, if you guys have not already, make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below. Let me know how everyone is doing. I hope you guys are doing well. Thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. So I'm going in with the same blue color, and you guys can see how I hold it on my brush there. And it's going to turn shiny. That's how when you know when to place it on the nail, that's when all of the powder gets all the liquid in it and it's ready to be placed on the nail. So just I find it easier to hold the acrylic on the brush for a few seconds until that ball goes completely shiny. So these are really easy to do, really fun. I love this blue color. It's super pretty. And you guys, be sure to subscribe because I have a lot of hauls coming up. I have some not polished hauls. I have some AliExpress hauls. I have some young nail stuff coming in, so make sure you're subscribed. Now, this color is gorgeous. It is S43 from Royalty Nail Supplies, and it is like a really pretty bright red, but it has like an orangey kind of undertone to it. Really pretty color. And again, you guys saw me holding it there on the brush until it was completely shiny. That just makes it much easier to work with. And I am patting and dragging this down the nail. I am using the CAD's brush number 16. You can get it off of Amazon. It's a really good brush, you guys. I really like it, and it comes in all different sizes, so whichever size you like. So I am just doing the same thing here on the pinky finger. I'm applying it down the nail. Now this one, it didn't really matter if the tip was full coverage because I am going to go in and place some glitter. This is that silver glitter from Double Dip. I do have a discount code for them. If you guys are interested, it is, I believe it is Glam Nails 20. I will leave it down below in the description box for you, but you feel free to use that code, you guys, to get some money off. So this mix that I have here is a custom mix. I basically just mixed a bunch of glitters together with clear. So I highly recommend you guys do that. Take your glitters and just mix them up with some clear acrylic, and you'll get some really pretty custom acrylic mixes. So I am just going over this, and then this blue glitter that I am putting on is like blue hexies. And these are like a teal blue color, and I did get these from AliExpress. So I'm just placing those over the acrylic, and that way it sticks onto it. It gives it something to stick to. So I'm doing the same thing here on the pinky finger. I'm so sorry I'm out of frame, but I apply a little bit of my custom acrylic mix, and then I go over that with the teal hexies from AliExpress. And these are just loose glitter. So I'm just applying them on top of the wet acrylic. So it's that easy, you guys. Super cute. I love the way that these turned out. Now these I also got from AliExpress. So here I'm using all my AliExpress stuff that I got recently. And these are super pretty, huge circular crystals. And they like come to a point, so they're really pretty, but they're a bit difficult to get on the nail to make it stay. So I suggest you either use like a builder gel or something thick because it can move. So if you're using a glue, just hold it down in place like 10 seconds until it sets. If you're using like a builder gel or a poly gel like I am, I was struggling like moving it into lamp without it moving. So like here, those flashy lamps would really come in handy just to set it into place, and then you can give it a full cure in the lamp. So I'm going to place this gem right on top of that poly gel. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go in with my no wipe top coat. This really seals like big crystals in place. If you go in with builder gel or whatever you're using to cure, to adhere your stone, and then go with your no wipe top coat on top of it, it really creates a good seal. So there we go, you guys. These are super cute. I absolutely love the stone on them. I think it adds so much. And then I'm going to go in now and top coat everything. These are gorgeous. I loved all of the glitters and the color combinations from AliExpress. And then this big stone from AliExpress was super gorgeous too. Let me know if you guys want links for anything. I'll be more than happy to do that. Again, make sure you guys subscribe. I would love it if you would too. So I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers. So I really do appreciate every single one of you. And that is it for today's acrylic nail tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.